Hi, I'm going to pick a new winner for the Feels Like Butter yarn. I did pick a winner over a week ago and they didn't claim it, so I'm going to pick a new winner. You can find it on Amazon, which is listed down below in the description if you'd like to take a look. Now, the winner, all you need to do is just contact me. My email is listed down below. Send me your information. I'll send this out as soon as possible. Let's see who the winner is. Brenda Young. I've tried this yarn. I've never tried this yarn. Beautiful colors. I'm working on hats for shelters. Thank you for sharing and good luck to everyone. Congratulations. Thank you everybody for subscribing. Thank you everybody for participating. Please contact me as soon as you can so I can send out this yarn. If I don't hear from this person within a week or longer, then I'll have to pick a new winner until I can finally find a winner for this yarn. Thank you everybody for watching. Please subscribe, and I have 2 books for sale on Amazon listed down below. Mugs that are crochet mugs in my Etsy store, and Knit Crate. If you'd like to be a member of that, your first month you get 20% off if you put in the promo code Jewel20. Thank you for watching.